Well, it's raining outside right now. Yeah, mind you, it's Saturday. It's raining outside. I don't know if it's coming in or not. But tomorrow, Sunday, the 5th, it'll be nice on Sunday, which means I get another day in though, which means I work Thursday and Sunday, so 2 days in, I guess. Yeah, with that said, I don't know if we need her to come in or not. There's no grouping message. There's no messages in Group Me about whether washers will be open today. But it's supposed to rain from now to about 11 o'clock, and it's supposed to be a cloudy rest of the day. Yeah, I'll see what happens around about, like, I don't know, 8 o'clock. Or probably 11 o'clock maybe. I don't know. Right, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.